Welcome back to Daily DeFi. Today is March 21st of 2021, Sunday. We see the market consolidating as the total value locked in decentralized finance sits at $44.14 billion, maker dominance falling under that key 16% level to 15.8, and then DeFi Pulse Index at 443.34. We'll be covering one interesting article from Decrypt that is very, very important, some BTC technical analysis, and then 3 altcoins that are outperforming the market as things drop. So let's move over to juicy NFTs. We see this volume spike, crazy. Another big sale, pushing the 24-hour NFT volume to $5,716,851.86, right around 2,000% increase. Crazy. So Binance Smart Chain, otherwise known as BSC, was hit by an exit scam. So this is what's very important. All these different blockchains allow people to build new projects using their ecosystem. But with this, it doesn't necessarily mean just because you're using them, you are trustworthy. That's why it's so important. I always say to do your own research, check on each of these altcoin projects, especially with something like Binance Smart Chain where it's a bit more centralized. And this is why I have that video linked down below. Every single video we make, how to do your own research, always check it out. So this Turtle DEX essentially exited with 9,000 BNB tokens raised from the pre-sale just days ago. The online presence for this project has gone dark. Frequent vanishing acts indicate that the growing DeFi space is still risky business. I could not agree more. High risk, high reward. All right. Moving on to look at the markets. I picked out 3 altcoins that are outperforming. You can see Terra Luna is doing quite well, but besides that, nothing in the top is doing very good except RSR, up 40% on the weekly, about 5% on the daily. Then we have MIR protocol doing pretty well on the daily. And then one that was renamed, let's see, I think it's closer to 70, Enzyme, here we go. It used to be called MLN. So RSR sitting at about 10 cents, rank 74, market cap of $1.25 billion. MIR protocol rank 231, about $340 million market cap, $7.37. Then Enzymes, this used to be known as MLN, but they rebranded, $82.32, $147 million market cap. Lastly, some BTC technical analysis. Every time I've done technical analysis, this is proved correctly. So you see, I drew this out before any of these things happened. So we are in this symmetrical pattern. This really just shows the power of knowing these things. But we're in this symmetrical pattern. We broke out of this towards the upside. Then we're in this rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. We broke down, and now we're just consolidating. So you can see, if I were to draw this out, so like let's say next Sunday, we check back in with technical analysis, or I make another dedicated video on this, we can see right about there, we're in another symmetrical triangle, in my view. But there's many different ways to draw this, so we could go here to right about there. So you can see right there, that's how I would draw this. So it looks like we broke down, but again, this could be a fake out. If we break up, retest this, and dump down, the price target would be the move from the base of the triangle down. So that's it for today's Daily DeFi episode. If you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, button all. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. As always, invest global, and until next time.